Can you name one of the top 10 most expensive home repairs? If you are a homeowner or if you're thinking about buying a home, you're going to want to know the 10 most expensive home repairs and how to avoid them. Click on the link below for your own PDF guide copy so you'll have these on hand. Here are your 10 expensive home repairs and how to avoid them when you're making a purchase on a home. I'm Annette Marble and I'm with Key Realty. Number 1, foundation issues. These are going to cost you around $500 to $15,000 or more. Roof repair. This could be $1,000 to $10,000 or more. Your water heater. An average cost to repair or replace is about $15 to $1,500. Termite damage. I can't even comment on this. That could be lots of money, but it could start around $500. Water damage. Same thing here. Depends on how much damage it has done. It could be very costly. Your HVAC is around $500 to $2,500. Mold mitigation, average starting cost is $2,000. New pipes, average cost $2,500. Septic system, average cost $1,500. When you make an offer on a property that has a septic system, make sure the seller has inspected it and cleaned it out prior to your closing. Electrical issues. This could run you up to $15,000 if the whole home needs rewired. Keep in mind that a home with knob and tube, the buyer will not be able to purchase the home with an FHA loan. The knob and tube would need to be removed from all aspects of the home. There you have it. And if you have any other questions on home ownership or need referrals to any handyman, plumbers, electricians, or any help that you need, just go ahead and DM me, shoot us a call, shoot us a text, or message me. I can help you out. And keep in mind, we're always in Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.